In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watcher in Jira. This is essential for keeping your team up to date and ensuring that everyone who needs to stay informed about a specific issue receives notifications in real time. Now let's dive in and walk through the process step by step so you can easily add watchers to your Jira issues and streamline your workflow. To start, make sure you're logged into Jira. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or another option, and head over to the Jira login page. Once there, enter your credentials and press the login button to access your dashboard. If you've already logged in, great. You're one step ahead and can dive right into your project. Now navigate to your project board. This is where all your tasks and issues are displayed. If you're searching for a specific ticket, using the search bar can save you a good deal of time. Just type in the relevant keywords to pull it up quickly, avoiding the need to sift through a potentially long list of issues. Once you found the right issue, click on it. Doing this will open a detailed view showcasing essential information like the issue description, comments, and any fields important to your project. Next, direct your attention to the Watchers section. This is usually situated on the right-hand side of the detailed view. You'll notice it marked with an eye icon, a helpful visual cue that makes it easy to identify. This section is your entry point to managing notifications, ensuring that key team members get updated on this particular issue. Now let's add a watcher. Click on Manage Watchers, or in some instances simply a plus sign icon. This action opens up a small window that displays everyone currently monitoring the issue. It's an essential feature as it helps you see who's already receiving updates, making it easier to decide on your next step. To include a new watcher, begin by typing the individual's name or email in the provided field. As you start typing, Jira will show suggestions in a drop-down menu. Once the correct name appears, click on it. This intuitive method reduces errors, helping ensure you don't accidentally add the wrong person. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking Add. And just like that, your chosen individual is now a watcher for that issue. Moving forward, they will receive notifications promptly about any updates or changes, allowing them to stay informed effortlessly. And there you have it, a simple process to add a watcher to an issue in Jira. This feature is particularly useful for team members who need to stay current without constantly checking in. Thanks for watching today's guide, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.